Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Blink camera. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve connectivity issues or unexpected behavior. We will cover both soft and hard reset methods, guiding you through each step. It is a straightforward process that can get your camera working smoothly again in just a few minutes. Let's get started with the basics. To perform a soft reset, first locate the small, recessed button on your camera. You will typically find it on the back or side. Use a small, pointed object like a paper clip to gently press and hold this button. Keep it pressed for about 5 seconds. You will notice the camera's LED light change color, indicating the reset is complete. This often resolves minor glitches. For a more thorough reset, known as a hard reset, begin by removing the two AA lithium batteries from your camera. With the batteries out, press and hold the reset button for a longer duration, specifically 10 seconds. This ensures all previous network configurations are completely cleared. After 10 seconds, reinsert the batteries and observe the LED light, which should flash, signaling it is ready for setup. Once your camera is reset, the next step is to reconnect it to your Blink system. Open the Blink Home Monitor application on your smartphone or tablet. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. The app will guide you to scan the QR code located on your camera or manually enter its serial number. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the setup process and get your camera back online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.